Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at the best drywall sander with dust collection on the market right now, the KUPERIA 8.5 amp electric drywall sander. If you're tackling popcorn ceilings, drywall renovations, or wall prep work, this tool could be your new best friend. Let's jump into what makes this standout tool a top seller in its category. First off, what separates the KUPERIA drywall sander from the competition is its dual-channel auto vacuum system. This isn't just marketing fluff. The built-in vacuum system is engineered with dual dust collection pipes that achieve a dust vacuum efficiency of up to 97 to 99%. That means almost no dust in the air while you're sanding, which makes a massive difference when you're working indoors. The key is to keep the sanding disc parallel to the wall for the best results. Now let's talk about the motor. At the heart of the KUPERIA is a powerful 8.5 amp pure copper motor. This isn't a budget motor, it's built for performance. You're getting consistent power delivery to handle tough jobs like popcorn ceiling removal or sanding rough patches on drywall. And with that power, KUPERIA includes two types of sandpaper, 6 basic and 6 grid sandpapers. That essentially gives you the equivalent of 24 standard sanding discs, double what most competitors offer in this range. Moving on to functionality and design. This sander features a detachable chassis, which means you can easily access edges, corners, and ceiling joints, the areas that are typically the most frustrating to sand. And it's equipped with a 360-degree LED light strip. That means no more dragging around shop lights or missing rough spots in low-light areas. You can sand confidently in dim spaces, early mornings, or unfinished basements and still see exactly what you're working on. Speed control is another area where the KUPERIA delivers. It offers 7 variable speeds, from 800 to 1800 RPM. Whether you're smoothing freshly mudded seams or taking down rough patches, the speed range lets you tailor the performance to the task. It's not just a one-speed-fits-all, it's precision sanding at your fingertips. When it comes to usability, this tool nails it. The telescopic handle extends from 3.9 to 5.5 feet, giving you the reach for ceilings without the constant ladder shuffle. The handle also collapses down and fits into the included carry bag, making it super portable and easy to store. And while some sanders are bulky and tiring to use, the KUPERIA comes in at only 8.5 pounds, and just under 10 pounds when fully assembled with the dust bag and hose. That's lightweight for a full-size electric drywall sander and makes overhead work way more manageable. Let's talk about what you get in the box. The KUPERIA kit is loaded with extras. Along with the sander itself, you're getting a manual, a carry bag, a flexible dust collection hose, an extension rod, a dust collection bag, work gloves, a dual hook tension spring, 2 carbon brushes, 4 gaskets, 4 dust rings, a hex wrench, a screwdriver, and 12 sanding discs in total, 6 basic and 6 grid. That's a complete ready-to-go kit with everything you need to start sanding immediately, whether you're a DIYer or a professional contractor. Finally, the KUPERIA drywall sander comes with a 12-month warranty and responsive customer support. For a power tool at this price point, that's a strong vote of confidence from the brand. To wrap it up, if you're in the market for a drywall sander with strong suction, adjustable speed, reach extension, and built-in lighting, all without breaking the bank, the KUPERIA drywall sander is absolutely worth checking out. It's no wonder it's ranked the #1 best-seller in power drum sanders. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you want to see more real-world breakdowns of top-rated tools like this one, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and leave a comment with the next product you want us to test. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.